Today we have a 15-minute, easy-going, fat-burning workout. HIIT routine that you can do from anywhere because we're using absolutely no equipment at all, only going through 7 exercises, and we'll repeat those twice to hit that completely 15-minute workout. So doing 7 minutes, taking a minute, and hitting another 7 minutes to fully complete this workout. So why don't you join me and follow along with this routine. This is a great way to introduce your body with exercise. Rather than doing steady state cardio, if you do a HIIT form workout, it's also engaging your muscles. So this is going to generally let you burn body fat over a long period of time. So getting that 24-hour basis of fat burning, rather than just having it in a steady state form, it only burns calories as of when you work out. So let's go ahead and start this workout and jump into that first exercise. So let's go ahead in 15 seconds. First exercise is the jump, jack, burpee. So that you're going into a jumping jack, dropping down into a burpee. So you're trying to go low impact on this particular workout. So make sure you're landing softly on the exercise that require any jumping movement. So let's go at 30 seconds. Jump jack, burpee, up. All right, so taking 30 seconds rest. That's what I'm doing. 30 seconds rest and 30 seconds on with the exercise and beginner form style of workout. So we get enough rest just to get your breathing back. So keeping the exercise in a low impact form and also making sure we can get through the total 15-minute workout. So next exercise we're going to jump onto is a low knees to plyo squats. So we're going to be doing 6 low knees and 3 plyo squats. So going 3. So keep the knees nice and low, 6 times. And into 3 plyometric jump squats. 3, and back again. All right, so when you're doing that particular exercise, make sure you got that good form, especially in the squats. Make sure you got that staying up tall, shoulders round the back, and keeping that chest forward when you're squatting down. Maintain that back position as much as you can. Keep it straight. So you're focusing more on getting your body weight through those glutes, those hams, and those quads, and not putting too much pressure through your knees and your shins. So moving on to the next exercise here is a high knee run. Push up the pace with this one. So again, knees are coming a little bit higher this time, and put some pace into it. So you regulate that breathing. Don't want to be gassed out by you hit the end of the 30 seconds. All right, that one's going to get you. Really pushing through there. Going to need those 30 seconds now. That's almost coming halfway through the first 7 exercises here. So we're moving on to the 4th one. And we're doing a side-to-side push-up. For this one, if you haven't got anything comfortable to put your knees on, especially if you're on a hard floor, then make sure you grab a mat. So when you start on one side, keep one hand from the center line of the body, pushing up, switching hands. So make sure you're putting a bit more force to the hand line with the center of the body. And get that chest, stomach, all the way down to the ground. Don't leave that gap between the hips. All right. So when you're doing that particular exercise, make sure you don't have that gap between the hips, stomach. That's going to be focusing too much on your shoulders. You want to work the chest muscles. So focus on getting all the way down and breathe out every single rep and push through the hand. That's always in the center line of the body. So we're going to be moving on to the next one. Staying down, and stay with the mat. We're doing a plank hold. So 30-second hold. One good line here. So get the elbows to line up with the shoulders. Little crunch in the core, so lift up a little bit. And maintain that position, 30 seconds. So you're regulating the breathing through the exercise. Don't hold it in. All right. If you're having a mat, you can move it out of the way. I'm going to go into the next couple exercises. Staying down, but you won't need the mat. So next one, going into plank skiers. Plank position is going to be on your hands, doing a skiers motion with the feet. So we're going to go low impact on this exercise. So when you're doing it, we're going to make sure you come back to the center before you jump across again. So full plank position on your hands. So starting with the knees bent inside, jump out to the side, bring it back to the middle, and then out to the side again. And breathe out every single jump. All right, we're moving on to the 7th exercise. That is the last exercise that we're doing in this workout. And then we'll be taking 1 minute rest and then going in for the same set of exercises again for another 7 minutes to complete that 15-minute workout. So the last 30 seconds here, then we're going to move into shoulder taps. You can stay down if you need to. Rest it through these last 30 seconds. Going back into that plank position again and going for shoulder taps 30 seconds before taking a full minute rest. All right, let's go. Full plank position again, arms straight with the shoulder line, tapping across. Alternate, put your body weight onto one side of the arm. All right. That is it. At this point, you're going to take that 1 minute rest. I want you to take a total 1 minute rest. Then I want you to go back to the start. So if you just go back to the start of this video, I want you to complete those 7 exercises once again to finish up that 15-minute workout. All right, guys, so I just finished out my 2nd round to complete the entire workout and get my total 15 minutes in. So I hope you've gone through this workout to get the 15 complete minutes in. It's a very simple, easy going beginner's workout. Get your heart rate going, get your body weight going, and a great simple way to introduce exercise to yourself. If you're not one that's generally motivated, you need something simpler, not to go too intense when you're starting out with exercise. So it's a great one of those workouts, which is also low impact and really gets the heart rate going. So I hope you enjoy this type of workout. And if you did like this workout, make sure you smash that like button and also comment down below what you'd like to see in the next video and the type of workouts that you would like to see for yourself. And I will do my best to put that out for you. But that's it from this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.